If you could plant just 10 greens this fall, which ones would give you the best chance of harvesting fresh food in the cold months? So after more than 40 years of growing fall greens here on our Zone 5 farm, there are 10 types that we come back to again and again. And some are incredibly cold hardy, some keep reducing through repeated harvest, and a few may surprise you. But choosing the right greens is only half the equation. You also have to get them planted at the right time. So today I'm going to show you the 10 greens that we choose for our fall gardens, why each one has earned a place there, and when you need to get them planted in your growing zone. All right, let's go over the 10 plants first. Number 1 is kale. Kale is one of our most dependable cold season crops. It handles cold temperatures very well, and you could harvest the outside leaves while allowing the plant to continue to grow. Number 2 is spinach. Spinach loves cool weather and can be remarkably cold tolerant once it's established. It's one of our favorite greens for extending the harvest in the cold weather, and I've even swept the snow off of it and then harvested perfect leaves. Number 3 is Swiss chard. Swiss chard gives us a beautiful productive plant and repeated harvest for both the leaves and the stems. Number 4 is Chinese cabbage. So Chinese cabbage gives you a tender leafy crop that can be used for fresh or cooked, and it grows really well during the colder parts of the season. Number 5 is bok choy. So bok choy is another excellent cool season crop. It's fast growing and wonderful to have available for stir fries and other meals. Number 6 is arugula. Arugula grows quickly in the cool weather and gives you a distinctive peppery green for salads and other dishes. Number 7 is mustard greens. So mustard greens are another fast-growing choice that thrives in cooler weather. You can harvest the leaves young or allow them to grow larger for cooking. Number 8 is lettuce. Lettuce absolutely belongs in the fall garden, but it prefers cooler conditions to summer heat. But variety selection matters because some lettuces handle cold much better than others. Number 9 is collards. Collards are a sturdy plant that tolerate cold and can provide repeated harvest by picking the large outside leaves and allowing the center to continue to grow. Number 10 is edible chrysanthemum. This is one many gardeners may never have considered, but edible chrysanthemum is a cool season leafy green that gives you another flavor and texture to add to your fall harvest. These 10 greens give us a wonderful mixture of salad greens, cooking greens, and quick growing crops. But even a cold hardy green needs time to become established, so don't forget your planting windows. So zones 3 and 4 should generally plant September 1st through 7th. Zones 5 and 6 you want to plant from September 7th to the 14th. Zones 7 and 8 September 14th through the 21st, and in zones 9 and 10 plant September 21st to the 28th, or once the heat has subsided. These are general guidelines, so adjust for your local climate and conditions. You can certainly purchase these greens individually, but after years of people asking us what we recommend growing, we created our Hardy Greens seed kit to make getting started easier. So the seed kit contains all 10 of our hardy greens that we've talked about today, with more than 200 seeds of each type. Now we selected varieties that are well suited to fall and cold season growing, although the exact varieties may occasionally change depending on seed availability. When you purchase the Hardy Greens seed kit, you also receive a $20 coupon towards our Hardy Greens eCourse. So having the right seeds is a great place to start, but knowing how to grow them through the changing temperatures, frost, freezing weather, and short days of the cold season is another part of having a successful harvest. So that is what I teach in the Hardy Greens eCourse. I'll put the links to both the Hardy Greens seed kit and the Hardy Greens eCourse below this video.